Imagine, as a US consumer, after all the disappointment of not seeing the DJI Mavic 4 Pro released at all in your country, you're searching on Google for an alternative, and the first result, a proud sponsored link in fact, is for a website claiming to be a DJI official store, and they can deliver in just a couple of days. Well, sadly, we're here today to tell you that it is not an official DJI site at all, and likely a scam altogether. It had to happen, I suppose, with the void of certain products being officially released in the USA. Some people are looking to take advantage of that by launching what we have confirmed is a fake website to try and separate US consumers from their hard-earned money. Well, let's take a look at the story and what DJI have told Geeksvana directly. Over the weekend, a few US viewers started sending me a link to a new website, seemingly set up to offer DJI products to the US market, including the much coveted DJI Mavic 4 Pro, which, as you might know, due to all the recent issues that DJI are facing in the US, has not been officially listed for sale by DJI themselves there. One of the reasons I decided to take such an interest is because some of those people sending me links were telling me that they've actually placed orders with the site. The website in question uses the domain dji-us.com and looks very much like an official website from the Chinese manufacturer. Now, here in the UK, we do in fact have an officially licensed retailer, DJI Hasselblad, who offer the full range from DJI to the UK market through their DJI-retail.co.uk website. In fact, we're actually partnered with them, so it didn't seem much of a stretch to me that someone had set up an official license with DJI for the USA. However, whereas the UK company is highly professional, has retail outlets and lots of information about their company, etc. on their website, this US site does not. There is no phone number, no street address, nothing. In fact, when you dig a little deeper, it doesn't even confirm who owns or runs the website. It refers to a limited company, Earth Thriving Limited, but that doesn't appear to exist in any of the relevant countries that hold records for limited entities. There was a Scottish company called Thriving Earth Limited, so the other way around, but even that was dissolved. There is a second company name used elsewhere in the sites as well, but none of it actually leads anywhere at all. When we questioned the site via their live chat facility, and I realized that could be anybody on the end of that live chat, including a third-party company that they're paying to answer their calls, etc. We got a rather unprofessional response from an agent calling us friend many times. They meandered down a path of changing answers to avoid any kind of confirmation. When we asked them why they claimed to be an authorized DJI partner, they claimed they had not made that claim. But of course, as you can see here, it is on their About section. That section of the website also promises that goods are direct from the manufacturer, something we know just isn't true at the moment. The website offers Shopify and PayPal checkout systems, which is all very simple to set up. We spoke to DJI, who looked into the website and came back to confirm that it is indeed not an authorized reseller and should not be using either the company branding or, they tell us, actually the DJI name within a domain name. When used in this way, there's a certain action that they can take, and DJI tell us the matter has been referred to their internal team, who will look at taking swift action to protect US consumers. I have no idea if this site was some strange and genuine attempt to sell DJI drones in the USA. Perhaps someone had a harebrained idea and decided to set all this up on a whim. Certainly, the domain name was only registered in July of this year, so a month ago from this recording. We have heard of some interesting ways that people are trying to get DJI products into the USA, but most of those are individuals risking their own money, knowingly risking the goods being stopped at import stage. But what we're trying to avoid by bringing this story to your attention now is unwitting consumers sending this company money and hoping to get a product through at all, frankly. Even if something appears, we are aware of issues in terms of gaining care refresh or insurance in the USA, etc. Without using a verified company with all the security and comeback that gives you as a consumer, you really are throwing money out of the window and hoping someone somewhere sends you a drone. Sean out.